I'm 11 videos into this 100 video challenge. And let me tell you, this super entrepreneur, you know, the one that does it all without breaking a sweat, that has all the things, 1 million Instagram followers and monetized on, she doesn't exist. You heard me, she does not exist. Between parenting, having a 9-to-5, wash days for my natural hair, and running client ads, if I didn't have a system, I'll be a mess. There's no way that I would be on the road to completing my goal of making 100 videos. And that's just keeping it real. And another thing to be completely honest about is I'm not doing all of that. Meeting your goals and being that person, the super entrepreneur, it's not actually feasible. It'll lead to burnout. It'll lead to you not enjoying your business. So today I'm going to show you the simple execution shift that I'm using to save my sanity. The one tool that's essential for me to use when running ads for my business, especially when life gets busy. Now look at this. This is my profit predictor calculator. It's not just a spreadsheet now, okay? When you run Facebook and Instagram ads, you have tons of choices in the Facebook Ads Manager. I had to have a more focused approach on tracking the outcomes of my Facebook and Instagram ads. I found that would be key in order to make sure I was not wasting money and time sending my ads out to people who were not completing the desired income, the desired outcome. So if an ad does not move the numbers on the spreadsheet in the right direction, then it's got to go. What I'm saying is, my goal right now is not to get 1 million views, is not to be monetized on one video or go viral, which would be nice, but that's not the goal. Right now, my goal is to build a muscle of consistency, is to make sure that I show up for these 100 videos. It's to not let the idea of being perfect, of creating the perfect video with the perfect hook, the perfect thumbnail, the perfect caption, all the SEO glory. It's not to do any of those things, but it's to post the content for 100 days. This time, I'm choosing consistency over perfection. And just like with kids, some days are perfect, but most are not. Business is no different. Some days we're getting all the things done, and some days we're just getting by. If you're tired of the hustle and trying to understand how Facebook and Instagram ads actually work and would like a simpler way to see your own ads in action, then grab my profit predictor calculator below for free. Let's stop trying to do it all and let's start doing what works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody else. Tell me in the comments what's one thing you're going to quit today to get you